Expiration, or why time is not on your side. All options expire. Expiration date is always approaching. When you're buying options, what you're really buying is time. It's a way for you to purchase the right to buy or sell a security at some point in the future. So as you would expect, the more time that you buy, the more expensive it's going to cost. If you want to purchase the right to buy or sell in a year, the premium you would pay would be more than purchasing options that expire in a month or even in a few days. Most importantly, premium decays. As time approaches expiration, the extra premium you pay for it for that time disappears. This happens slow at first, and then faster and faster as you approach 0 days to expiration. This means that the options trader not only has to be able to be right directionally, but the options trader also has to be able to determine how fast an underlying will get to that price. Because if you purchase a call for the underlying to move, say, 10 points in 30 days, and it moves 10 points in 60 days, you've lost money. So you have to be aware of expected price moves. Let's go through an expiration example and why premium decay can hurt you. As I mentioned before, more time equals more premium. The further you go away from expiration, the more you will pay to own the option. We call this extra bit the extrinsic value of the option. At expiration, all extrinsic value is always 0. Think of it like a melting ice cube. An ice cube melts slowly at first, but as it warms up, it melts faster and faster as it becomes smaller and smaller. Decay speeds up like the ice cube as it approaches expiration. At 90 days, the amount of extrinsic value you may pay to own the option could be $10, and at 30 days, it could be $6, and at 10 days, $4, and even 1 day out, you could still expect to pay $2 for that option. And as decay speeds up, it speeds up exponentially as it comes closer to expiration. And this can affect profits, because if you pay too much for an option, you can be directionally right, however still not break even or even lose money. We call the value that the option loses every day as it approaches expiration by the Greek letter theta. When we talk about theta decay, it's the same as premium decay, except with theta, it's an exact value that we can put onto the option. So we can say that this option loses $5 in value every single day, or it loses $2. Here is a chart of theta decay. This is actually for Apple, and what I've done is I've taken the at-the-money strike, which is the 123 strike, and I've taken all the prices from 90 days out till 0 days out. And you can see how premium decays. As you can see, premium decay speeds up as days to expiration approaches 0. In fact, the option loses more than half its value in the last 14 days. And you can see that when it gets to 14 days, it just drops off a cliff. If an option is purchased further out from expiration, the stock actually has to make a bigger move to the up or downside for any profit to be realized. If you're going to buy an option at 90 days out, you're going to be paying $8 in premium. This means that the underlying has to make an $8 move for you to make any money at all, and that's a lot. But if you're only going to buy it at 15 days out, then you only have to pay $3.80. So at that point, if you hold it for 15 days, you're expecting the underlying to make more than a $3.80 move over 15 days. So theta is important to understand because it will help you judge how far out you need to buy your expiration for and how long you're going to be holding your option for. Because if you have a 3-month time period, you may want to buy a 3 or 6 month time period option. If you're only hoping to get into the trade for a week, Then you could buy a 2-week or a monthly option that's 30 days out. It's important to realize that with options, every single day when you buy option is losing money. This is one of the most important ideas that you can get into your head when buying options, is that when you buy an option, it's losing money every single day, and especially losing money as you get closer and closer and closer to expiration. If you can understand this concept, you're halfway there to being an options master and being ready to go out and trade options.